A very warm welcome to everyone. Today we have with us an extraordinary young mind who has made us extremely proud by winning the World Mathematics Championship. It's a moment of great honor and inspiration to meet such brilliance at a young age. Along with this champion, we are also delighted to welcome a proud parent whose support and guidance have surely been a big part of this success. Thank you to both of you for joining us today, and congratulations once again on this incredible achievement. So, here we have with us Vihan. Hi, Vihan.
Hi, thank
How are
you.
you? How
I'm
are
fine.
you? Okay. So, Vihan, the firstly heartfelt congratulations on your win.
Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Yeah. So we have the first question. Okay. What inspired you to start the journey of mathematics? And, when did you become so serious about maths, basically?
It was my best feeling ever.
Okay. That's really nice. Okay.
I
No, I'm
love
asking you.
doing
Hmm.
math, solving puzzles.
Oh, okay. You started liking math by solving the puzzles, right? Right. Okay, that's nice. So now for the competition, you might have followed certain routine, right? Can you tell us what was the routine that you followed, for the preparation for this championship?
Practice करते बताऊं?
Something that you did. Yeah.
My I practiced and and I was learning math. It was so fun learning math.
Wow.
From my mother and parents.
Nice. Okay. So you learned, you
Teachers
did lot.
help me.
They
My
were,
teachers help me.
oh, nice. So you're trying to say that with practice, with the help of your mom, teacher, parent, you were able to succeed, right? That's really nice. That's really nice. Okay. So, was there anything difficult that you found during this competition? Something that you find felt difficult while preparing?
I was. It was a question was so hard, but I not give up and trying, and that was completed by myself.
Wow, that's so you said you're trying to say you didn't give up. You kept trying to solve and then you solved. That's really nice. Very good, very good. Okay. So the next thing, how did you feel, competing with such a wide audience, around the globe who are also good at math? How did you feel, that experience?
That was my best feeling ever.
Oh, nice. That's really nice. Okay. So, can you describe the moment when you got to know that you won the gold medal in this? What was running in your mind? How was your expression? What did you do the first thing when you heard it?
It was my best feeling ever, and I jumped with joy.
Oh, nice. So, who was the first person you told this to as soon as you got to know you won?
Who told you that you won the gold? My parents told me I won the gold medal in math championship.
As soon as you heard that, you became so happy and you jumped, huh? That's nice. That's really okay, that's really nice. Okay, so okay, you've already mentioned like your parents and your teacher are the main guidance of your, following your success. So, would you like to share, a moment where your parents helped you or your teacher, how they helped you, something in short that you want to remember or you will remember it as a memory.
Ma'am helped me little, but I succeeded. Ma'am
Oh,
helped you and you do the homework daily with her? And I did homework daily by myself and
okay.
learning new tricks with my parents and teachers.
Wow, so they taught you new tricks. So it became easier for you to finish. Very nice, very nice.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So apart from maths, okay, what are the hobbies or what do you enjoy doing apart from solving mathematical
I love.
questions?
I love playing with my friends, do skating, playing with family, and painting,
Wow,
and
nice.
watching science videos.
Okay, nice, nice. That's really nice.
And I
Okay.
want to become and I will become great mathematician one day.
Wow, we're all looking forward to see Vihan's name and we learn from him mathematical problems future. Like how Aryabhatta is called, we'll remember Vihan next, right? In future. Yes,
Yes.
that's really nice. Very good. Hope you become one great mathematician. Okay, so the next thing that I would like to ask is, okay, so what if with you, you had many other good students who knew math very well, right? So, what kept you on one scale upper than the others so that you won this gold? If you have to,
Distance between.
huh?
Great innovators क्या करते हैं? Great mathematician.
What do great mathematician do?
They
No, no,
never
no,
give
no,
up.
no, 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 no.
Never give up.
Yes, okay. So the quality in you that to never give up made you stand a step higher, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's really nice. Very good. So, right. So, one more thing. So, you won this competition. How has this influenced your personal or academical or professional life? Like, how do you think this has influenced, like, whether it has motivated you or whether it has helped you, encouraged you, influenced you into learn more? In what way did it help you?
और मेहनत करोगे बताओ.
I did. I did so hard.
I will work so hard now.
Okay,
I
you
will.
worked very hard.
I will work so hard now.
Yes, so you feel that now you're motivated and that you want to do more work and become better at math. Very nice, very nice. That's great. So last one question for you, that is what advice or suggestion would you like to give your friends or younger peers of yours who are dreaming to participate in this international level of competition?
We should never give up.
Very good.
Believe in yourself and
Nice.
never be afraid to make mistakes.
Very nice.
Keep
Very
practicing.
Yes, practice. Definitely, practice makes a man perfect. Correct? Very nice. So it was really nice talking to you, Vihan. Very good. So now that we understood the, champions perspective, now you want to know the parents' perspective. Let me have a few words with your mom. Okay. So hi, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Okay, hi, ma'am. I'm good. I'm good. So, ma'am, just basic few questions.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so how did you, when or how did you find out your child's interest in mathematics?
Ma'am, actually, we saw his natural curiosity for
Hmm.
solving math puzzles, quizzes. He took a lot of interest in shapes, patterns, and simple counting things from an early age, even before schooling. So we thought he
Okay.
would do good in maths one day.
Yeah, definitely he did.
And he
That's why
did
he's a
it.
champion today. Very nice. So, ma'am, how did you help your child manage, the pressure of preparation for the competition and balancing the other aspects of life like school and other things? Like, how did you help him do so?
Ma'am, I'm a teacher, so managing routines with the job and with the small baby at home. Yeah, he has a small
Yes.
sister. Yeah, so it was
Okay.
little difficult, but yeah, he is obedient. He listens to us. Takes interest in doing things, maths, and he helps me also. So
Oh.
along with the teamwork and great patience, it was possible.
Nice, nice. It's really nice. Okay, so what were some of the challenges you faced while supporting your child through this journey, and how did you overcome that? There were any
So
challenges?
sometimes when he doesn't want to do things, and sometimes he's very playful, not listening to the instructions. So
Mm.
what we do, we help him by taking him out and involving him in other activities, giving gifts, and
Ah, correct.
taking him
Correct,
to the
correct.
trip. Yeah,
Yeah.
and do whatever he wants. And we ensured
Yes.
he takes rest and play also with the
Definitely.
academics and with his activities, his school activities. Yes,
Yeah,
his
that's really nice.
favorite.
That's very nice. How did you feel when you learned that your child has won the gold medal in the World Mathematics Championship? Like, what was your thinking process going on then?
Ma'am, it was a heartwarming moment and we felt really happy. We were like emotional also and we
Yes.
danced also together. And
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
yeah, his dream came true. So it was
Yes.
yeah, we were really grateful.
Yes, that's really nice. It's a moment of joy, definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
So, lastly, ma'am, what is a message or advice you would like to share with parents raising children who are passionate about maths or other academic pursuits?
Ma'am, everyone should support their children in the area they take interest with
Right.
encouragement and let learning be a joyful journey.
Yes, definitely
To make it
correct.
joyful, yeah,
Yes.
with lot
It
many
was,
activities, yeah.
yeah, it was really nice. So it was really nice talking to you, ma'am. Definitely, you are an inspiration. You yourself is a teacher, so I think there itself it makes us very nice to have you here. It was really great having you as well as Vian, the what is that spotlight of today? He is. So congratulations once again, Vian, on your win. We
Thank
are
you.
extremely proud of you. Okay, we're
Thank
extremely
you so
proud of
much,
you.
Thank you
ma'am.
so much, ma'am.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am, for giving me opportunity and me also. You took
Yes,
time to
yeah.
take our interview. It was
Yeah,
great
thank
to
you. Yeah, thank you so much for
really
coming and
happy.
all the best, Vihan, for your future endeavors. Okay, thank you. It was
Thank you
really
so much,
nice
ma'am.
having you. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.